guys! So ngayon, pababa tayo ng hagdanan dahil may naamoy akong mabango sa kusina. So titignan natin. Tapos rainbow dash. Wow! Hi, Mami!
Hi, Pixie.
So ano yung gagawin natin dito?
May nakita kasi ako ngayong recipe. Ito, oh. Look, ayan.
Wow!
Sa online. There you go. Bala ko siyang gayahin. Ang pagluluto ng chicken curry. First time ko to. From Coco mga YouTube channel to. So, try natin gayahin. Okay?
Sige. Maganda yan.
Okay.
Ano mga nandito, Mami? Ano yan?
Yan yung ating mga ingredients na gagamitin sa ating chicken curry. So, we have here our chicken. Yan. Ito po ang ating mga spices. We have here onions, garlic, bell pepper, ginger, at syempre, isama na rin natin to ang ating siling labuyo na bagong hiwa. Yan. Isama na natin siya dito. Okay? There you go. Siling labuyo.
Wow!
We also have here potatoes and carrots. Andito din po ang ating water, sugar, coconut milk, curry powder, patis, ang ating cooking oil, and of course, ang ating salt and pepper.
Wow! Ang ganda ng nalagyanan, guys.
Of course.
It's color red. Wow! Ang cute ng ng spoon.
Siyempre.
Wait, parang familiar sa akin to.
Ito maingay. Yan yung mga spoons na ginagamit sa tester ng pagtitikim ka ng ice cream sa Baskin Robbins. And of course, andito naman yung isa.
Wow, mas malaki siya, guys. Upgraded.
Kinokolekta ko yan. So,
Comment down below, guys, kung ganyan din yung ginagawa ng mami nyo.
Siyempre, nangongolekta tayo. At siyempre, ang aking lutuan.
Preheated.
At ang aking magic wand. So, okay, let's start cooking na. So, guys, ayan, all set up na. Umpisahan na po natin ang pagluluto ng ating bagong recipe, ang chicken curry. So, ang first step daw po is to heat the cooking oil. There you go. And then, ipa-fry daw po natin yung carrots, potatoes, and bell peppers. Fry the potatoes. There you go. And after that, we need to add the carrots. Also, we have to add our bell pepper. Okay, let's simmer this for a few minutes. Bango. After we fry this, you have to set aside first, and then we will proceed to step number 2. Okay, we'll get back to you later. So yan guys, set aside po muna natin, then we'll proceed to the next step. And the next step, we have to saute daw po garlic, onion, and then ginger. Garlic. Bango guys. Need na natin i-add ang ating onions. And of course, ang ating ginger. Then, dadagdag na rin po natin ang ating chicken. Dagdag na rin natin ang ating seasoning granules. Then, add na po natin ang ating curry powder. Mix it guys. Ang bango. After that, add na rin natin ang water. Ating coconut milk. Let it simmer. And it is time now to add our patis. And then sugar. Add salt and pepper. And simmer for a few minutes. It's now time to add the veggies. The chili. Wow. Boil it for at least 2 minutes and then it's now ready to serve. Oh, kamusta yung lasa?
Wow! Diba? Hindi siya manghang. Manghang na manghang. Ang sarap.